Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will be the first Indian Prime Minister who has decided to preside over a meeting of the United Nations Security Council. India has been on the Security Council several times. This is our eighth stint on the Security Council. Yet, in the 75 plus years, this is the first time that our political leadership has invested in presiding over a event of the Security Council. It shows that the leadership wants to lead from the front. It shows that India and its political leadership are invested in our foreign policy ventures, and it provides a signal to everybody else that India wants to lead from the front. Although this is a virtual meeting, it's still a first meeting of the sort for us. So it's historic. The last time that an Indian Prime Minister was engaged in this effort was Prime Minister Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao in 1992, when he attended a meeting of the UN Security Council, which was presided over by the then UK Prime Minister John Major. This is fundamentally different because India is the president of the council. India wants to showcase that its leadership is invested in the council. India wants to prove its leadership to the world. So I welcome this effort of political effort and leadership leading from the front.